In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can add a YouTube channel banner on your YouTube channel on your mobile device on YouTube. What you want to do is click on YouTube, click on your YouTube channel, go to your channel. Then what you want to do is click on the pencil icon and then click on the photos that showing the image camera, or I can say the camera at the top and right side corner of the screen or the left and right side corner of the screen. Click on it and then click on choose from your photos or take a photo if you prefer. For me, I'm gonna click on choose from your photos. And then what you wanna do is look for the right photos that you wanna look for, that you want to create for your YouTube channel banner to stand out on YouTube. For me, I'm gonna click on this right here and it's going to show you what to do. Now what you wanna do is zoom all in or zoom all out in your preferred ways. For me, it's gonna be like that. And then when you're done with the selection that you like, then click on save on the top and right side corner of the screen, and then it should be saved in. So it should be saved in. Done. If that helps you out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.